Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be discovering some beautiful creme blushes starting rupees 90. Yes, you heard me right, starting rupees 90. But before I start showing you some beautiful creme blushes, in the recent past I did happen to talk about top 5 powder blushes, so do check that video out after watching this interesting one. And without making this intro any longer, let's get started. So I know a lot of you want to just know which is that creme blush for rupees 90 and made it to this video. Watch the video till the end. Now starting this video with beautiful creme blushes from very favorite brand of mine, Swiss Beauty. And Swiss Beauty also have been launching a lot of face product, but these two blushes are really well done, affordable, and two different formulas altogether. Talking about the first one is the Swiss Beauty Creme Up blush with shea butter. I've done a complete dedicated review on all of the blushes onto my channel. Do check out that dedicated review. Now this is a beautiful blush. It's a very moussey textured blush. बहुत अच्छा application मिलता है इससे. It's a creme blush, but while you are blending the blush, you will start to feel the blush is transitioning to creme to a matte finish. So it does not look super shiny onto the cheeks, and it just sits beautifully onto the cheeks. So it does not make you look flat out matte, but it is not that very extremely shiny creme blush. So it is very comfortable, super light onto the skin, blends easily with your finger, your brush. Avoid blenders. I would highly recommend use a flat kabuki brush. So if you haven't checked my brush video, check that out. It was a very recent video. Check that video out. I've talked about at length about all the different brushes you can own and very limited brushes which are multifunctional. So yes, use a flat kabuki brush, blend the blush, and it just stays. Now this blush stays longer and you can wear with or without makeup. It just looks beautifully and syncs with the skin tone. Now the shade I'm holding is Copper Cheeks 04. It's a beautiful blush. I do feel it will complement a lot of Indian skin tone. So yes, a beautiful creme blush by Swiss Beauty, pretty affordable. The cost of this blush is around 250 rupees, and after discount I happen to pay for 190 or 99 rupees oddly. So it is a pretty affordable blush and you get 4 to 5 shades to choose from. So yes, a beautiful invention by Swiss Beauty which you must try. So you would have already seen a separate swatch of the blushes, so do not worry, for all the blushes you will be seeing a swatch and a little close-up of the product. Now talking about another interesting blush by the same brand, Swiss Beauty, the Swiss Beauty Cheek It Up blush with jojoba complex, and it is a Lumi Matte blush. Now it comes in a bullet like this. I really like this packaging and a lot of brands have done it, and this is how it is, and you open the lid and you have the blush right there. Now the best part, it is so affordable. This blush is going to cost you around 299 or 349 rupees, and again this blush after discount will be more affordable to you. Now here also you get close to 5 shades to choose from. The shade I have bought is more of a pinky mauvey shade which has a nice warmth to it, and it just sits beautifully onto my skin. Now this blush, when you swipe it onto the face, it looks very creamy. Once you start blending the blush, it just settles down to a Lumi Matte finish, as the name says as well. So it is a Lumi Matte, but the shine is not too much onto the face. It is very subtle, very diffused form of Lumi Matte it is, and it sits beautifully in summer weather. So if you haven't tried this one, you should, because a lot of brands are doing it but on a very expensive side. In this video itself I'm going to show you another blush which is a little expensive, but this is affordable and you can wear it with or without makeup, and this complements in winter weather as well. So I have been using this blush from my winters. Now there is like an extreme hot summer and this stays beautifully onto the cheeks. Now the only one thing which I feel with the blush is that even if you would start putting a lot of product, the pigmentation is not going to show up like too much onto the skin. So sometimes कुछ blush के साथ ऐसा होता है, जितना ज़्यादा product लगाते हो आप ज़्यादा blush दिखता है, ज़्यादा pigment दिखता है. इसके साथ वो problem नहीं आएगी. तो आप एक्सीडेंटली ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट भी लगा लोगे तो अगर आप ब्लेंडिंग करोगे तो वो एकदम अच्छे से सटल और बहुत प्यारा ही दिखता है चेहरे पर. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई रियली लाइक दिस ब्लश एंड इट इज़ ईजी टू यूज़. आप आँख बंद करके भी सेज लगा सकते हो. सो अगेन अ ब्यूटिफुल ब्लश बाय स्विस ब्यूटी. क्विकली मूविंग ऑन टू अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग ब्लश एंड बाय मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन एंड समथिंग सो वायरल एंड इट वॉज सो ट्रेंडिंग सम टाइम बैक is the Revolution Blush Bomb. Yes, and I happen to pick up the shade Savage Coral. I've done a complete dedicated review as well. Today I'm wearing this one onto my cheeks. Now frankly speaking, this is the creamiest, a little thick product, and it blends like magic. A little product goes a long way. The pigmentation is really high, so you cannot go wrong with the product application. You have to be a little mindful while putting this product onto the cheeks, but once you put the blush, once you put your foundation, you wear it on top of your foundation also, once you blend everything nicely, this looks wow onto the cheeks. Now products like these, the blushes like these cannot be worn like a flat out blush onto the cheeks. I do personally feel अगर आपने accidentally से ज़्यादा लगा लिया तो बहुत loud दिखता है, बहुत पैची भी हो सकता है. So that is why I'm saying a little product goes a long way. So when initially you dot the product, dot it nicely, put very less, blend the product, जितनी requirement है आप उतना ही दोबारा लगाओ and then blend the product, then you have like a perfect blush going on. So it's the application technique as well, but the formula in itself is super creamy, super shiny. It looks just wow. So if you're a dry skin and you want to have that nice glossy blush, buy this one. It's beautiful. Like I myself, being an oily skin, love wearing this one because it adds that nice shine. But I like to wear this underneath my foundation a lot. Reason being, if I have a very extreme matte foundation, like today also I'm wearing a complete matte foundation, I want to have that inner glow. There this blush fits rightly. So I will put my primer, then I will put this blush, a lot of it, and then I will go in with my matte foundation. Later I will just take like a half and then just blend a little more, and then I have a perfect blush going on. So you can see my blush is like perfect. So this is the blush I'm wearing. So you must try this one. This is also beautiful, very unique and very comparable to some high-end brands. Quickly moving into this video, next up I have another beautiful blush, and it may look very similar to the Swiss Beauty one, but the formulas are completely different. It's the Kiro blush, the creme blush. They don't have a very specific name on it, and again the packaging is very similar to the Swiss Beauty one. There you have the blush, one of the again most used blush by me. I picked up the shade Vintage Rose. Now इसकी सबसे खास बात ये है कि बहुत creamy है, बहुत buttery है और बहुत subtle है. Now Vintage Rose, a lot of people have seen the swatches, but I think they have done some kind of correction to it, and the shade does not look the way I was expecting it. So it's not a terracotta or a peachy shade, it's a pink shade which has a little undertones of peach. That's it. So it looks pink only under the cheeks, and the blush blends like magic. Now when you put this blush with a brush, you have a very subtle application. When you put it with a finger, then you have a little more pigmentation to it. So कितना भी ये product अपने cheeks पे लगाओगे ना, आपको एक subtle blush ही मिलेगा, आपको ज़्यादा loud blush नहीं मिलेगा इससे. So again I felt this is a more of your daily blush, a blush which you can wear blindly. अगर आपको layering की आदत है, just like me, wear this blush. Do your full face of makeup, let this settle down by itself, and then take your any lighter powder blush and layer it up. उससे क्या होता है कि ये set भी हो जाता है, and you have a little more pigmentation going on. So yes, this blush is something, again I really liked it for the formula. The way it applies onto the skin, it does not look made up, it does not look patchy. It looks your very own skin with a hint of flush or blush going on. That's how your cheeks would look. So you can definitely grab this one. When I bought this one, I was like, is it worth 800 rupees, 900 rupees? But once I started applying it, started using constantly, I realized, okay, it's worth every penny because the formula and the texture of the product is such. So even if you're a mature or aging skin, or if you have a lot of texture going onto the skin, blush like this will not enhance it more and make your cheeks look more hydrated, non-drying, and more, you know, vibrant, I would say. So yes, definitely give a try to this one, because I have been wearing this again from a very long time and I'm obsessed with this one. Quickly moving on to another interesting blush, and I recently reviewed also this blush. So I was like, since I'm making this video, let's just touch upon this one as well. Again, बहुत ही कम समय में ये मेरा favorite blush हो गया है. Is this Rufa Beauty Tinted Liquid Blush. I picked up the shade Over the Moon. Now इस blush की सबसे खास बात ये है कि it is, imagine your powder blush into a liquid format. So when you take out the product, you dot it onto your skin. It is just like your any other creme blush. Once you start blending, and once the blending is done, you will feel as if you just applied a matte blush. So it's not a lumi blush, it's not a radiant blush, it is a matte blush. This is what I felt, being a combination of oily skin. So you don't have to worry with this blush. And one more thing is, like, compared to whatever blushes I showed you so far, excluding the Revolution one, this is highly pigmented again, and the pigmentation shows off just like your powder blush. But since it is a creme blush, the application seems to be more easy. It blends nicely, it just melts into the skin. It does not look as if you applied something on top of your face. So this is again a beautiful formula. Again, I love wearing this, and the shade is different from all the shades I happen to show you. And this is the shade which will complement a lot of Indian skin tone. So even if you are deeper or darker or a tan skin, you can definitely try this shade. This will show up onto your cheeks. So the formula is really nice. It stays longer. It complements my radiant foundation. My matte foundation does not enhance the texture of my skin, and it stays the longest. So I have seen another one thing with this particular blush, that it stays the longest. And as the hour passes by, I do feel the blush looks more pigmented and more vibrant. So yes, a little product goes a long way. With this also, you be a little careful, don't put too much, or else आपको पूरा face wipe करके दोबारा से अपना makeup करना पड़ेगा. So थोड़ा ये खरीदो, do a little practice once, and then you do it on the full face of makeup. But this is a beautiful discovery and I absolutely love it. And now we are down to the second last blush. Again, something I recently reviewed and I have fallen in love with this one. I think I'm just gravitated towards such products or such formulas, the creme formulas, and that too in a particular format. So this is the Lakme Multi-Slayer Stick Blush in the shade Sweet Cheek. The packaging of this one is not the best, I do feel, for $8.99, and you have the blush right here. So there are a lot of shades, but I personally wanted this shade because this is pretty different from so many I have, and जितने भी मैंने blushes आपको अभी तक दिखाए, ये shade different है सबसे. Now again, इसकी सबसे खास बात ये है कि again ये stick format में है, buttery है, creamy है, extremely creamy है. And even if you accidentally put a little extra product, do not worry, product blends nicely और ज़्यादा नहीं दिखता. Now one more thing is evident in this blush is it's super radiant. So like all the three sticks I have bought from the Lakme, all are radiant, even the blush is radiant. So I like to put this blush in the night events a lot. Reason being, I don't want to look flat out matte all the time, and sometimes when your skin feels super dry, you want to put products which are radiant, does not enhance the texture of your skin, and looks nice under the skin, and this blush too. So this blush makes me feel more nourishing onto the skin for some reason. So if you haven't tried this one, you should wait for a good discount and then grab yours. I myself picked it up in a good discount. So this blush again blends seamlessly into the skin. A little product goes a long way. The pigmentation on this one compared to the other two sticks I happen to show you is high, and you put more and more product, उतना ही ज़्यादा pigmentation दिखता है. So a little product goes a long way. Don't overlayer the product because you may feel a little heavy with the product. So ये थोड़ा क्रीमी है, बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीमी है तो हैवी फीलिंग हो सकती है, तो ज़्यादा मत लगाना. Just go for one layer and you're good to go. You will have the right application. So yes, I absolutely love this one also by Lakme. Lakme has really got some amazing products into their creme formula. And अगर आपने अभी तक कुछ नहीं ट्राई किया है क्रेम से तो Lakme का ये ब्लश डेफिनेटली ट्राई करना. It's fully approved. I just absolutely love this one as well. And now we are down to the last blush, and the blush which is just gonna cost you 90 rupees. MRP 90 रुपीज़ एंड आपको डिस्काउंट में ये और चीपर मिल जाएगा. मैंने तो इसे डिस्काउंट में लिया है, तो आई पेड आई थिंक ऑडली 68 or 69 रुपीज़ फॉर दिस ब्लश एंड it works like magic. Again, it's the Insight Makeup Essential creme blush. I happen to pick up the shade Raspberry Gelato 02. Now again, this is a blush which is OMG. Now इसका जो टेक्सचर है वो एक क्रेम ब्लश, बामी ब्लश है. सो अगर आपने फिंगर से भी लेके इसको डायरेक्टली चीक्स पे लगा के ब्लेंड कर लोगे तो भी अच्छी ब्लेंडिंग हो जाती है. और शेड्स, जो भी शेड आप चूज करोगे आपको वही शेड चीक्स पे दिखेगा. नाउ विद दिस ब्लश आई डू फेल्ट दैट जैसे लैक्मे का मैंने आपको कहा कि थोड़ा हैवी हो सकता है बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी क्रीमी एंड दे वेरी इक्विवेलेंट टू ईच अदर. बट इसमें आपको हैवीनेस नहीं फील होती, इसमें आपको हैवीनेस फील होना शुरू हो जाएगी अगर मैं ज़्यादा लगा लोगे तो. इसमें आपको वैसी कोई फीलिंग नहीं आएगी. एंड आई टेल यू, जस्ट टेक योर कबूकी ब्रश, डिप इन हियर डायरेक्टली, डू द ब्लश, यू गेट द परफेक्ट एप्लीकेशन वन गो में. और आपको यहाँ पे ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट की भी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है बिकॉज द पिगमेंटेशन इज सो रिच इन दिस ब्लश. सो येस, आई एम अमेज्ड दैट हाउ Insight could do it in 90 rupees. How? Because it is next level. And because I've tried blushes like these in the past from Dr. Earth or Just Herbs, they are again 400, Dr. Earth is 900, this is only 90. So this is pretty amazing. अगर कुछ नहीं लेना तो ये ले लेना. अगर आपको क्रेम ब्लशेस में अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है तो आप ये ले लो, ट्राई करो. You will absolutely love this one and this will actually make you buy more creme blushes. So this is again a beautiful formula which I thoroughly enjoy. I wear it with and without makeup. एंड ये आपकी किसी भी फाउंडेशन पे भी बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाता है. अंडरनीथ फाउंडेशन भी लगा सकते हो आप, बट मैं इसे जनरली फाउंडेशन के ऊपर ही लगाती हूँ. एंड इसको सेटिंग की भी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. आप 30 to 40 सेकेंड्स दे दो, ये ऑटोमेटिकली सेट भी हो जाता है और एक अच्छा सा एक रेडियंस देता है. So again, a beautiful blush which I discovered, a creme blush by Insight, and the most affordable blush I have in my vanity. And there you discovered 7 beautiful creme blushes, 7 different formulas, starting rupees 90, and you have a blush going up to 800, 850 rupees. Everything will be linked and listed in my description. If you are eyeing any of the blushes I happen to show you today, do check out my top 5 powder blush video. You don't want to miss out on some interesting powder blushes as well, so do check that out. If you really loved watching today's video, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!